Beyond the reach of the sun's gravity, the galaxy opens wide. The Milky Way is not a neat spiral you could trace with a finger. It is warped, bent, thick with stars layered over stars, dust tangled with light. We live in one of its quieter suburbs, far from the crowded center. Out there, stars keep their distance, giving planets room to breathe. Nearer the core, everything presses closer, brighter, louder in gravity if not in sound. The galactic center glows with chaos. Stars orbit fast, packed tight, pulled by something massive and unseen. A black hole waits there, ancient and calm, holding the galaxy together without ever showing itself. Most stars in the Milky Way are smaller and dimmer than the sun. Red dwarfs burn slowly, patiently, living so long they outlast civilizations by accident. Some of them will still be shining when the universe itself feels old. Many stars are born in families. Binary systems dance in pairs, circling a shared center. Some have 3 or more partners, gravity tying them into complicated relationships that never truly settle. Between the stars lie clouds so large they could swallow entire solar systems. Cold, dark, and quiet, they drift until pressure gathers enough courage to ignite something new. When stars are born, they tear holes in these clouds, lighting them from within. Nebulae glow in colors your eyes would never see directly. Hydrogen blushes red. Oxygen shines green-blue. These colors come from atoms shedding energy, like sighs made visible. Star clusters travel together through the galaxy. Some are young and loose, destined to drift apart. Others are ancient and tightly bound, glittering spheres of stars that formed when the galaxy itself was still figuring things out. Every star carries a chemical fingerprint. By reading its light, astronomers know where it was born, what it contains, how it moves. Light does not lie. It just takes its time. Planets beyond our solar system are common. The Milky Way is thick with them. Worlds orbit close, worlds far, worlds that spin too fast or barely at all. Many stars host more planets than ours ever did. Some of those planets are larger than Jupiter, bloated by heat. Others are rocky and dense. Some drift freely, untethered, cast out by early chaos, wandering the galaxy alone. There are regions where radiation is fierce, where life would struggle to begin. There are quieter pockets too, where stars burn steadily and planets might linger in balance for long stretches of time. The galaxy rotates, but not like a solid object. Inner regions move faster than outer arms. This uneven motion stretches spiral arms into long, sweeping curves that never quite settle. Dark matter surrounds the Milky Way like an invisible halo. Without it, the galaxy would tear itself apart. No one can see it. Everyone depends on it. Stars age differently depending on their mass. Heavy ones burn bright and fast, dying young in spectacular explosions. Smaller ones conserve energy, glowing gently for ages that feel unfair. When massive stars die, they seed the galaxy with heavy elements: gold, silver, uranium. Every atom heavier than iron owes its existence to stellar death. The galaxy builds itself from its own losses. Supernova shockwaves ripple outward, compressing gas elsewhere, triggering new star birth. Death makes room for creation. The Milky Way learned recycling early. Neutron stars spin like cosmic lighthouses, sweeping beams of radiation across space. Some spin hundreds of times per second, held together by gravity so intense it crushes atoms into something unrecognizable. Magnetars twist magnetic fields so violently they can affect matter from across the galaxy. They are rare, unstable, and powerful enough to crack crusts on distant stars if close enough. Cosmic rays streak through the Milky Way constantly, born from explosions and extreme environments. They pass through planets, bodies, even you, without asking. The galaxy is threaded with magnetic fields, weak but vast, guiding charged particles and shaping cosmic weather on scales too large to feel. Dust grains drift between stars, tiny and persistent. They block light, cool gas, and provide surfaces where molecules can form. Without dust, planets would never have learned how to exist. Some stars wander far from their birthplace, flung outward by gravitational encounters. Others fall inward, joining the crowded heart. The galaxy rearranges itself slowly, constantly. There are places where star formation has stopped entirely. Old populations glow faintly, living out their final, quiet chapters. Elsewhere, new stars blaze into existence, impatient and bright. The Milky Way hums with radio noise, microwaves, infrared whispers. Even in silence, it speaks across every wavelength. From within, the galaxy looks like a river of light spilled across the sky. From outside, it would look like a luminous whirlpool, rotating endlessly in the dark. Somewhere within it, civilizations may rise and fall, Rest.